Welcome back, folks. Welcome back to the vineyard. Today, we're talking about another fragrance from a house that I am growing to love. It's Chris Wicks and the English Laundry brand. So, stick around, get you something to drink, relax, and I'll be right back after this to talk about this fragrance that I've fallen in love with. Peace.
Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay.
Welcome back, family. I'm Russell Mack, and this is Solomon's Vineyard. And today we're talking about another fragrance from Chris Wicks and the English Laundry brand, okay? The name of the fragrance is a fragrance that smells like another popular fragrance. Y'all, I'm really enjoying this house. I have about 8 now, okay? And there's a lot more I have to get. I know I heard about one called Crown. Okay, listen, if you guys know about any of these fragrances, the English Laundry fragrances, leave me a comment down in the below letting me know some more names. Okay, I have a couple of Windsor I need to get, Cambridge Night, it's several others, okay, and I've watched several previews on English Laundry, and it seems to be a house that's going to be around, okay. It's great to find a signature fragrance, easy reach fragrance, really nice house, inexpensive, and the fragrance I'm talking about is Oxford Bleu. Okay, I hope you can see it right there. These are the little minis, the little 5 ounce, 0.5 ounce, okay, the little small ones. That's really all I need because I wear something different almost every day or every other day, and this is a scent that I'm really loving. It has the scent profile and scent character of this one. And this is Versace Eros, as you see. This is my big 1.7, of course. All right, and I'm really, I didn't want to do a comparison, but this is actually my first time on camera with you guys opening this bottle, all right, and actually smelling the fragrance, okay. I really didn't get into it at all. I want to wait. So let's spray it, and then let's talk about it, okay? Now I'm gonna spray a little shot on this wrist here. All right, and what I'll do is I'll put Versace Eros over here. I got the thing turned backwards. All right, Versace Eros, and man, polarizing. The arrows seem to be a little sharper, okay? But listen, before we go into the video, before we get into this good juice, if you like contents like this, videos, giveaways, top 10s, I love first impressions like this. This is where I live. But every now and again, I'll do a top 10, I'll do a 5, 7, just depends on, you know, the idea, all right? But go ahead and become a part of the family, all right, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell and hit all, so that way anything uploaded from this channel, you will get it. Like, comment, share, all right? Thumbs up, all of that good stuff. I really would love it, and I need it, okay? So that way, Solomon's Vineyard can continue on this fragrance journey, all right? Now, there is a huge giveaway coming, but you must be a subscriber. I want to give away bottles, okay? Sometimes we'll do decants, but my first few giveaways, I want to give you guys bottles. If you are a part of the Solomon's Vineyard family, so you must be a subscriber, all right? A friend of mine, talking to another frag friend of mine, said maybe I should start with decants, but I said no. You know, you guys deserve quality. You deserve the best, and I really want to try to give away good bottles, all right? So come on and be a part of the family, and let's walk this journey together, all right? Oxford Bleu, a blue Oxford, all right? This stuff is great. In the opening, it smells almost identical to this one, Versace Eros. Wow, y'all. It's amazing. I mean, almost identical. Both of them are synthetic, okay? I don't believe any natural notes are in here. The notes are lemon, mint, and apple with geranium and iris, tonka bean, all right, with oak moss, vetiver, vanilla, and there's another note down there at the bottom. What's the other note to leave? She knows she's always here with me, but there's vetiver, oak moss, vanilla,
sandalwood,
and sandalwood. Okay, so it's got sandalwood, it got that oak moss, it's got vanilla for sure. Okay, and it's got vetiver. So where it differs at though, man, it has the spiciness. It's not as spicy as Versace Eros at the top, but it smells almost identical. This is amazing. You know, the green apple, that's what you get when you first spray Oxford Blue. You get green apple, you get the mint. You can catch that mint, that powderiness from the apple and mint and lemon. The lemon is not really heavy, but you can tell it's there. And then a geranium, okay? That's a rose note, but it's a lemony, it gives a lemony rose smell. So it's not the ordinary powdery rose you get from the Bulgarian rose and the other rose. Okay, you get that lemony rose, then you get the iris note. That is where this one differs at, and that's what I like about this fragrance. So what I say is this is redundant to purchase this one if you have this one. Honestly, if you have this one, then unless you are a collector, all right, and you just want to have it for your collection, you know, you should get it to preview it and talk about it. But if you have this already, okay, now I know how I used to be when I wasn't, you know, in FradCon. I wasn't doing these videos and all of that. I still probably would have gotten it myself, okay? But if you have Versace Eros, unless you want to know what the iris note do in the heart with the geranium and the tonka, then I say get it. But if you have Versace Eros, then and you on a budget, then you don't have to get this one. But it is a really nice scent. It is a powerful fragrance, particularly when you first spray it. The opening is loud, and I love that. But then it begins to get down into the heart, the geranium with the iris, and that's what I love. I love iris note. You know, iris is now a popular note since Dior on. Okay, man, and it goes from there to the tonka bean. You know, we know that tonka bean is a note they use for sensualness. Okay, to give the fragrance some sexiness, some sex appeal. Okay, makes it smell lovely and intoxicating. That tonka bean note is popular also. And then after that, it's supposed to go into the dry down. Now, the dry down, which is the oak moss, the vanilla, I certainly smell the vanilla, along with the vetiver. And this is not a earthy vetiver, it's more of a fresh vetiver. It gives it freshness, because we know vetiver could go 2 or 3 different ways depending on the notes that it's compared with, that it's coupled with. But this is it. And I'm telling you right now, I'm smelling this fragrance here along with, and they smell exactly the same. I'm actually trying not to smell, I'm trying to smell the difference in these fragrances. They smell almost identical. The Versace has cedar, you know, 2 types of cedar, Virginia cedar and another cedar in the bottom. It has tonka bean, so it differs a little. It has oak moss also. I'm telling you, it may be worth you trying it. If you're just curious and you want to know what they do side by side, like I'm doing now, then check your local Burlington, or you can go online and find both of these fragrances actually. Okay, so and they're very cheap. I think I paid $14 for this pack here that came with 3, which is not bad. You can get the 3.4 bottle for $12 at Marshall's. Okay, you could also get it from Burlington, and I think they run about the same price. So they're not very expensive, and I get about, I think I would probably get about 8 hours with this fragrance, being because of the notes, because of the apple and the heavenly, the tonka bean, the geranium. Geranium have a way of performing very well on my skin. I catch that lemon from the rose. I catch the rose notes along with the oak moss. I love fragrances in the wintertime with oak moss, the tonka bean, the vanilla, the vetiver, man. Great sandalwood. You got that woodiness at the bottom. Great. This is a great, well put together fragrance, well blended. It's synthetic, of course, but it's mass appealing. Now it's starting to change. It's starting to differ now. That's why I wanted to talk to you guys. It's sweeter here. This here is a little bit sweeter now than the Versace Eros. I'm picking up the violet note. The iris note, I'm sorry. I keep getting violet. I always do that. I get violet and iris confused, or orris. But the iris note, it's a little bit sweeter. You get that lemony rose now. And I forget exactly what, do you have Versace Eros notes in front of you, Talia?
No,
you don't have them, but I believe they start changing somewhere in the heart. And then I believe they basically start smelling the same at the bottom. Now, I think the Versace is going to be a little bit heavier in the dry down because of the 2 cedars. Okay, but I will mess around with them a little bit, and I'll come back and do another comparison video. But I had to, y'all. They smell so much alike. This one, you know, is going to be a lot more expensive. But if you're in a shoestring budget like I am, and you can't afford to pay all that money for this scent, trust me, if you were to get this one and never smelled this one, you'd have a great buy, and you'd have exactly the same thing in this bottle. I'm telling you, okay? So this is Oxford Blue by Christopher Wicks and the English Laundry brand. Y'all, I love doing this. I love this fragrance. Listen, if you have it already, tell me what you think about it in the comment box below, okay? Thank you so much. Don't forget about the giveaway coming up, all right? Tell your mama, your daddy, your sister, brother, cousin, nephew, whoever. Tell them to come on and subscribe and see what they can win here on Solomon's Vineyard in the upcoming year, all right? Thank you guys so much. Have a happy holiday. I love you so much. Merry Christmas to you and a Happy New Year. If I don't hear from you or see you again, thank you so much for being a part of my channel. Thank you for the comments along the way. Thank you for everything. I really appreciate everything, all right? Now, I'm getting out of here. I love you guys. Take care. God bless you. Peace.
Alright.